Let's begin setting up an email account by navigating to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Accounts and Passwords. Under Accounts, tap on Add Account. For this example, we will be setting up a Gmail account by tapping on Google. Next, enter your email or phone associated to the account you wish to set up, then tap on the Next button. Now, enter your email password, then tap Next. By default, Mail, Contacts, and Calendars will be selected. Feel free to choose what you would like to have synced, then tap on Save. As you can see, the email has been set up with the default description name of Gmail. This can be confusing when having multiple emails set up. Let's change this by doing the following. Under Accounts, select your newly created email account. Under Gmail, tap on your account. Under Account Information, locate the description field and enter a more suitable label for your email. Tap Done to complete the setup. You should now see your new label for your email account under Accounts. To view your email, simply leave Settings. Then tap on the mail icon to view your inbox folder. To view your email folders, simply tap on Mailboxes, located to the top left. You're now ready to set up multiple accounts by repeating the process, then labeling your email accounts accordingly. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button or subscribe for new content. If you have any suggestions on videos you would like to see in the future, please send an email located in the About section of the channel. This is George with TechPlay. Thanks for watching.